Okay, here we go. Here it comes. Let's see here. Ooh, look at that. Ugh. Oh yeah. Look at this baby. Holy moly. I'm not going to be able to lift it up with the hand. I haven't been working out in about 100 years, so that gum. Whew. Man, check that out. Let's see. Let's see this baby. Triple stack power. I mean, magnet. Look at that. Look how thick that dude is. Man. So beautiful. Look at that. Man, look at that. Ooh. That sucker is, I think it's locked up. Yeah, that's what it is. It's already locked up. Man, look at that. Beautiful. Dual 1 ohm. Oh yeah. I plan on busting my back window. Oh yeah. Here it comes. Thought I'll let you see it. It's in. Just got to get my box built for it. And it's on. Yeah. Now you met the beast.